Welcome to this video today. You are going to learn about something that is going to be a game changer. Believe me, what we call the code interpreter. It's in beta, but it is an amazing plugins with ChatGPT. Well, how you can use it? You need first to have ChatGPT Plus. Okay, you go to under the username, you click on this three dots settings, you go to beta features, and you see here code interpreter. So you enable it. This is where it's mentioned that you need to try this version where you can ask it to help with data analysis, image conversions, editing code file. You can upload file, you can export your data to Excel. It's an amazing tool that you will love. Just enable it, then close it, go ChatGPT, code interpreter. Voila, you see here now you can upload files. Amazing. Enjoy it. I hope that you like it. Code interpreter. Try it and you will see this is something unbelievable.